So the first part to do is you need to register the Google Analytics. Basically, I'm gonna create an account for Google Analytics. The best thing if you have a Gmail account. If you don't have, I advise you to create one. It's very simple to do. Create a Gmail account so you can use that one account for multiple businesses. Of course, I have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in. And of course, if you don't have, please sign up for a Gmail account. Alright, once you sign in, you will see this. Because I have an account already, and I have multiple business accounts, so I manage everything from one place. As you can see here, I have multiple accounts and all of your properties available from here. So once you have the account, you will need a property. As every business are different, you can have more websites for your business, so you can create more properties for each website. Click on the gear icon, and on this screen you will find your account and your property related to your website. If you wanna create another account, you can easily create it from here for another website example. And you will just go through this process. You can add your website name example. You can turn on the settings and you can click next. Here you can give your property name. It's gonna be your website name as mentioned before. Example, try to give a name which is relative to your website, too easy to find it. Set up your time zone, your currency. You can click next. Here we set your business information. You can choose the industry. I'm just gonna pick one, let's say finance, small business, and you can click on the first two. We're not really gonna need the rest, so just click create. Here you need to just accept the terms of service agreement. Click on accept and you're ready to go. Alright, after you have the accounts, you're gonna need a data streams. Data stream basically it's collecting all your data from the website, so let's create that. I can show you right now as well. You will see this icon, so you're gonna click on that. Something similar gonna pop up. You're gonna give your website address as tribe.shop.com. Your stream name can be anything. Tribe for this reason is gonna be 42, and click on enhance measurement and create a stream. I'm not gonna create this right now because I have it already, but there is nothing more to do, so you will have the same property as me. Alright, so now you've done that, you're gonna have a window like this. This window gonna pop up. So you got your measurement ID here. That's what you need to copy, and this ID you need to copy to your Shopify store. Alright, let's go back to our Shopify. Alright, in your Shopify store, go to your online store, preferences, and there you will find your Google Analytics accounts. Because I pasted it already, you need to paste your code here. Only code after the UA, and click save. Now you save everything. Make sure you save everything. Refresh your page, your website, and visit your website. Once you go back to your analytics, you should see there's one user visiting your site right now. You can check it as a live visitor as well. So there's real time. You can see there's a real-time visitor 1 right now. Of course, it can take some time when Google Analytics kicks in. After you copy all the code and refresh your site, it should take 1 to 2 hours maybe. It depends how quick is the system. After that, of course, it's basically live as you see.